Yeah, we actually got a great question that I was going to ask you guys. Kent asked, in healthcare, where most employees are licensed or certified, the pool of candidates is declining. How can predictive testing help retain people?
Using the testing to retain people?
Yeah. How can you
I,
use predictive testing to help retain people?
I think very much you look at what it is that is causing the person, what do they need to overcome, right?
Hmm.
Uh, I worked with a hospital CEO in a leadership project who was really struggling with the people aspect of his job. He was doing fine on the hard skills. He didn't have any trouble with the finance part of the job. He didn't have any trouble with partnerships. But he couldn't get along with people at all. I assessed him, and I found out that his agreeableness was at the 10th percentile. His extroversion was at the 10th percentile. This person had no people skill. He had no potential for that stuff at all. It just wasn't within him. And when I talked to him about it, he told me he'd taken the job because they needed the money to buy a house, and that he never wanted to be in any kind of a job like that. And we talked about, well, what are some of the things you can do? Well, you're not very agreeable, so probably quit talking to other people a whole lot, as much as you can, and let someone else do that. Everyone works on a team. Figure out what it is that is wrong, what it is that's inhibiting you from being successful. And an HR manager can do this with assessment results. A good trainer can do this. A mentor can do this and help the individual understand that if you're going to be promoted, if you're going to get in the job, here are the things that are going to cause you the most issues. And I understand it's just who you are. That's fine. We love you anyway. But you're going to have to find a teammate or someone to take care of the people part of your job. Maybe your job needs to become a partnership. Maybe there's all kinds of maybes. There's a lot of ways to help someone overcome their weaknesses, so to speak, and use them. I mean, he was probably really good at firing folks or something like that. I don't know. And it's just putting some thought to it, understanding who that person is, and then you can understand their behaviors and help them structure things in such a way that they will be successful.